and Papa Slime. But still, that's new music. You can't expose it, Dad.
I can expose bits and pieces.
I guess you could.
Drop! Turn down for what?
Do you know the way?
Just like Griffin, when I shoot it, it goes in. Posters. I just ain't ever posted. I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't cried since 01. I ain't cried since 09. Why are you filming? Oh, are you trying to expose my new music? Yeah, Papa Slime's trying to expose Slime's new music.
Do you know the way? Do you know the way?
Do you not be making Bugattis?
No, you know what I be making? Money. I have money.
You know what? I always drop stuff.
Like
First
what?
thing I do to drop in is bars.
You know, I always spit stuff. You know what I always be spitting?
What?
Fire.
Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way?
Vertical, Dad. Vertical. Now you're gonna make me edit this, Dad. Whew. But what's up, Papa Slime's vlog? It's the slime here. I think this is like the second time I've ever been on one of these vlogs.
Alright, so yeah. We're here at the mall, Concord Mills. There's a slime with her slime gear.
Oh, Dad, that one's terrifying.
Which one is it?
This one.
Dread Eye.
Yes.
It's so scary.
That's the scariest one that we have in your basement,
Alright, so the slime has talked me into doing this AR or VR. So let's see what happens here.
It might be blurry at first, but you guys ready?
Dad, this one is so scary.
Now she tells me. Okay, Gabby. Gabby. Ah! My booty vibrated. What was that? Oh, wow. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. That's not right. Gabby, you're grounded.
What?
You're grounded for making me do this. Hey, Gabby, look down.
What?
Look down.
What?
You see your legs?
Yeah.
That's not right. Note to self, if Gabby asks me to do another VR in this thing, tell her no. They better not drop me, Gabby.
What?
I better not fall. Oh my goodness. I don't want to drop. If I drop, I'm done. All right, Vlog Nation. I just got off of this VR experience that it's gonna take me a minute to get my breath, so while I pull myself back together, check this out.
You whip. My dad is vlogging. That's funny. I fit in this so very myself. Oh gosh.
Thank you.
Which one?
Which one are you gonna ride?
I don't know. Which one are you gonna ride?
This is good for 30 minutes. This is fast.
30 minutes on this one? Okay.
Yeah.
We do that one?
Yeah.
Can I do this one for 10 minutes or this one?
Actually,
Doesn't matter.
is this one good for 30 minutes?
Yeah, it is good.
Okay, then I want to do this one.
Okay, but this is faster.
Oh, well then I want to do that one.
And this is good. No, no.
I want a church girl who goes to church and read her Bible. Have you seen that Vine?
No, I've never seen it.
Are you filming for your vlog?
Yeah, I'm filming for my vlog. I'm
Vertically?
filming-
Wow, Dad. I thought you were different.
What's up, slimes? I am riding through the mall right now on this I guess it's some type of horse. Alright, well, as I was saying, this is stop number, I guess technically it's stop number 3. Stop number 1 was the t-shirt shop, but the t-shirts weren't ready. So to pass time, we stopped at the virtual reality booth. Now we're riding the motorized carts or horses, or I think Gabby's got a unicorn up there. So hey. All right, photo booths. All right, guess we'll go in and see what happens.
We are? Cool.
Photos to tear and share. Photos with friends.
You guys are at a photo booth right now. Are we actually going to do it though?
Have to stop it.
Yeah.
Now what? Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
All right, cool. So that was Adventure 4.
First time ever in a photo booth. So his normal vlogging phone died, so now he's vlogging with his other phone.
Here we go, Adventure 5. Okay, how much is it to jump?
$10 a person.
$10 a person. We're gonna do one jumper. All right, well, another adventure down. Friends, don't let friends jump on trampolines. Oh, that looks like a pretty tasty pizza, Gabby. What do you think?
Looks pretty good. I got pizza.
All right, on the way to Bryce's game, and the slime is pooped out. She had a busy day of adventure, so hopefully she can get a nap in and come back and be the slime. All right, we're pulling up to the school, about to see what should be an awesome middle school basketball game. Hopefully Bryce Cash goes off on them and they bring home the W. All right, well, tough loss, 49-44. They had a chance at the end, but tough loss. Good middle school basketball game, but a little bit short.
Hi.
So now we got to go home and get ready for practice. Got to have a good practice to get ready for our game this Saturday. We have a big game ourselves. All right, practice time. We're about to have practice for the pterodactyls, as the slime calls them. So practice time for the pterodactyls. All right, we're gonna wrap up the night at Cracker Barrel. Yeah, quite an adventurous day, and somebody's following me. Who's following me?
Oh, wait, show them the merch, show them the merch, show them the merch. So, show them the merch. So it says TSS right there, A, okay, just show them like the whole front side. TSS, turn around.
That slime lights. Slime.
Smash.
Do know the way.